everyone. Just to show you quickly what a typical train station in Germany looks like. Like this. I quite like the look of them. They look quite old-fashioned. This is the one of the many train stations in Hamburg. Let's actually have a look inside. I've not seen this one from the inside. So normally train stations here have like shops, cafes. Yeah, let's check it out. Okay, so oh wow, this one is actually very beautiful. Look, all the wood. There's a Starbucks. We love coffee in Germany. Wow, how cozy does this train station look? A bookshop. Bookshops are also very typical in Germany. This is just a small one. Look, the other end is just there. There you've got the notice boards where you know where you're going and what time the trains are leaving. Very important thing in Germany is the bakery. There you have one of them. We have, I don't know, thousands of bakeries here, which sells obviously bread, a lot of sweet stuff. Here you can also see the prices. This is like train station prices, so you see even at the train station you can find some reasonably priced food. There's a doner kebab shop, which we also have a lot of in Germany, a Subway International. There's another bakery with more bread. So that's two bakeries right next to each other. And yeah, McDonald's. And then here you seem to be going upstairs for the trains, which I'm not going to take you now because I need to go back to my hotel and have a little rest. So bye from Hamburg.